Life doesn't need to be escaped. It needs to be reimagined. At Nirvaana Hills, mornings arrive gently, with space to breathe, with quiet that restores balance. Spread across 200 acres, this is farmland crafted into a living forest. With over 1 lakh trees, Nirvaana Hills is not built around nature, it grows with it. Here, work finds a new rhythm, connected yet unhurried. A place where productivity and peace coexist, and balance becomes part of everyday life. This is community living, open, secure, and thoughtfully planned, designed not just for ownership, but for belonging. As the day slows, leisure takes its place. Evenings at the golf range, conversations at the clubhouse, time rediscovered. Solar-powered, eco-sensitive. From organic farming to responsible infrastructure, this is living with intention. Sustainability is not a feature here. It is the foundation. When night arrives, stillness settles in. Stories are shared, smiles linger, and life feels whole again. Nirvaana Hills is more than farmland. It is an investment in balance, in community, in a life well lived. Nirvaana Hills, a forest crafted for living, life reimagined.